What if I told you right now as you watch this video, you are taking out a high interest loan, not with a bank but with your own future. The currency is not money, it's your own sleep, your health and your peace of mind. And you sign it the last time you said I will do it later. This is the procrastination trap, and today I will show you the surprising science behind procrastination and how to deal with it. So before moving to the solution, we have to know what is procrastination. Procrastination is a habit of delaying tasks even when you have enough time and resources. But sometimes we are merging procrastination with laziness. But these two are different terms. Think of it like a car. Laziness is a parked car that doesn't want to move, while procrastination is a car with engine on, ready to go but it doesn't move. You care, you want to start, but you just keep delaying it. Well, two recent studies shows the complete picture of procrastination. A 2023 longitudinal studies tracked over 3,500 students for 9 months and found chronic procrastinators had worse mental and physical health, more stress, anxiety, and sleep problems. In short, procrastination damages your well-being. And a 2024 experiment tested temporal discounting, that a fancy name for how our brain devalues the future rewards. It showed that the future away the deadline feels, the less motivating it is. So your brain literally chooses the present over the future. Procrastination is not just a bad habit, it's an emotion management problem. Think of it like a high interest loan from your future self. The interest shows up in three ways: health, performance, and peace of mind. Let's talk one by one. Health cost: chronic stress, poor sleep, and anxiety. You get relief today but your body pays later. Performance cost: rushed work, no creativity, missed chances, you trade quality for completion. Emotional cost: guilt, self-doubt, and stolen joy. Even your deadline feels heavy. But here is the question why it happens. Here is the fight inside your head. The limbic system versus the prefrontal cortex. The limbic system wants comfort and immediate pleasure. The prefrontal cortex plans and delays gratification. When the limbic system wins, you reach for the phone. On top of this, two psychological forces make procrastination worse. Emotional avoidance: you delay a task that feels boring, scary, and uncomfortable. And prison bias: your brain values rewards right now more than the future benefits. The result: you stall even when you know the cost. But here is the good news: the same science that explains procrastination also point to how to beat it. The answer is not motivation, it's strategy. Here are some solutions that will help you to overcome procrastination. I will divide it into two categories. Number first, behavioral and environmental. Number second is psychological and emotional. Let's talk one by one. So in behavioral and environmental, the first thing is break it down. Instead of writing a report, say I will write only intro paragraph. Small wins trigger momentum. Number second is the nothing alternative. Literally do nothing at that condition. Boredom often pushes you to start the work. The third one is design your environment. Keep your phone on another room. Use website blockers or clean the desk. Let's talk about the psychological and emotional. The first one is 5-minute rule. Just start for 5 minutes. Action creates motivation. Number second is self-compassion. If you slip, don't shame yourselves. Be kind, learn and restart. The third one is make future rewards tangible. Reward your present selves for progress. Coffee, a break, a call to a friend. If your problem is limbic system wins, try nothing alternative and environment design. If it's emotional avoidance, break the task down and try self-compassion. If it's present bias, make your future rewards immediate and use the 5-minute rule. Procrastination is not moral failure, it's a signal. Your brain is saying this feels hard or scary. Answer the signal with strategy, not shame. Start small, be kind to yourselves, and remember every small action pays back the loan that you owe your future selves. So try this now, pick one task, set a 5-minute timer, and tell me in the comment section what you did. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.